there. Today I want to talk to you about double seats in vans. Most vans come with, like you see here, single driver seat, double passenger seat. The problem comes back when you're trying to get a camper van, because in a camper van people don't want either two single seats and a gantry in between to get into the back, or they want to rotate these seats round to utilise a dining experience behind in obviously the camper van. The problem you have is on a double seat you can't get a swivel. No, you can for certain popular vehicles, but in the whole you can't get a swivel. Now I've had 30 odd years in the van development industry, and the last week or so I've been developing a double swivel for a van. I've done it in such a way it's universal. I've done it in such a way where it only gives you the same kind of height as what a single seat swivel is, which is about 30mm. I've done it where you can do it yourself at home with DIY knowledge. You don't need to be able to weld, you don't need to be able to fabricate, and on the instructions we're going to give you, it's actually colour coded as well, actually, these instructions, but also on them instructions there's a little video clip showing you how to do it, and there's also links to the products you're going to need to be able to do it as well. So it's literally, and I don't want to say condescendingly, it's idiot proof, it's foolproof. It literally is a step-by-step guide that shows you how to achieve that. And it's universal, it doesn't matter if the vehicle's left-hand drive, right-hand drive, this van, that van, completely universal. So in the description, have a look at the links, follow the link back to the product, and from there you'll have a bit more knowledge. By the way, hit that subscribe button, and the share button, the like button, all that like I have to do on YouTube, because my next project after this is to reduce this double seat down to a single seat. Again, it's a popular problem, got a little bit of experience in it, and again I want to show you how to do that without any fabricating skills, welding skills, etc. But nevertheless, exactly like this is, do it in a safe manner that's going to pass the MOTs and things like that. I like it, like I said, hit that subscribe button, hit that share button, turn your notifications on. We'll be back in touch as soon as I can when I get that next one organised. Thanks for watching.